Now it's recording. Before it wasn't filming. Okay, the next day after we came back from the Eilat and the Dead Sea, we realized that after some constructions, we changed the door. We have to change mezuzah. Mezuzah's been on this door for probably 20 years. It's supposed to be changed once every 4 years at least. So, just came back from the store. I got 4 mezuzot. In the first one, main one, the scroll sitting inside is Ashkenazi written scroll. Then for each bedroom, 2 bedrooms, will be another mezuzah, Ashkenazi. And the old scroll that was in the old casing that already no good, that one is still good. Rabbi checked it at the store when I bought mezuzahs, and we put it into, what do you call it, honey? Mikpeset, which is like a little balcony room. And that's a Sephardi, actually. So we have 3 Ashkenazi and 1 Sephardi. So we're going to put them in right. We're going to say a prayer, and after say a prayer, I'll put mezuzah one after the other. Between the prayer and put it in mezuzah, you cannot talk. So Glenn is going to film me doing that. Come. Baruch Adonai Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzavanu lekoboah mezuzah. Thank you, honey. Okay, all done. Thank you. Stop the video.